Hi guys, in this video, I want to give you guys a little insight into me and my life and what I do outside of my home lab and IT, as I have got other things I have to worry about and do. So I just thought it'd be a cool little video for you guys to get to know me and what I do outside of my home lab. So let's get to it. This isn't the best setup in the world or rack, but I do have to say I'm very proud of it, and I think everybody should have one of these in their home. It's awesome. So right now, I'm in my backyard. I'm not too sure how this video is going to go, as there's going to be bits and pieces and me in other places and areas. I'm 25 years old, turning 26 this year, and I've been into IT since maybe year 6. And just from then till now, it's obviously grown a lot. And for YouTube, I didn't start uploading videos to get popular or anything like that. My main purpose was because I've got so many photos and videos on my phone of my setup. I just thought if I upload it to YouTube and do little videos, that in years to come, I can look back at what I used to do or what I have done and the journey along the way. And it'd just be cool to look back at photos and videos in a YouTube format instead of just on your phone. What a day. So I've got 2 babies. One's just turned 3 and the other one turns 2 in March in 2023. 2 little toddlers. It's full on. It's really full on. And they've obviously got their own personalities and just full of attitude, and I think they rule the roost, which I do sometimes. I've got a little workstation is set up. That computer is terrible. I think I paid around $100 for it from Facebook Marketplace. Literally, it just popped up and I just bought it. I didn't think, I just did it. This monitor paid, I think it was $30 for off Facebook again, and for what it is, it's an awesome monitor. I kind of wish I had it in my bedroom, or I call it my office. But my reason having this out here is because my bedroom is right next door to both kids' room on either side. They sleep on either side of my bedroom. So if I were to record audio or something like that, it would probably wake them up. So I thought it'd be easy just to set up a workstation outside. So when at the time, I didn't have YouTube, but started my YouTube, I could do all that type of stuff out here and just make it a bit easier. And that's why I have my NAS, so I put all my files on the network. I don't have to run with the USB here, there, everywhere. Networking cabinet, little 9U. I don't think I'm gonna sell it, I'm just gonna keep it. But this is my little home lab drawer. What's this got? I've got get this out of the way. There's all my server parts. But I'm planning to do a server build as a little video, so I'm just waiting. I just need to buy one new server case. I've got the motherboard in here, but I tried to build it a few months ago and nothing would work. As soon as I would put the CPU cable in, it would turn on and then turn off straight away. Then I tried different CPUs, different power supplies, nothing would work. So I'm just convinced that the motherboard is fried. There's all my Ethernet cables, patch cables. And I've just got other TV cords and other display cords and all that type of stuff. So I've got a nice little stock pile going on, so it's good. And so when I launch my online store, I'm going to be selling parts out of here and other products, so check that out once that's launched. But every day, I normally finish work, my day job, at around 3 o'clock. I get home most days. And as soon as I get home, it's probably straight with the kids, like as soon as I hop out of the car, it's boom, straight to the kids. I'll go and get our dinner organised, cook our tea, get all that organised and ready, and do that, eat, bath or shower the kids, then they play for a few more hours, and then bedtime, and then all the same again the next day. So it's good fun. So with my YouTube and IT and home lab stuff, our kids normally go to bed on a normal night around 8:30, 9 o'clock, if they've had a sleep throughout the day. And then say from 9 o'clock to about 1:30 most nights, I'll stay up and do my YouTube. Normally my days off are Monday, Tuesday, and then those nights I'll stay up to about 3 or 4 o'clock working on projects and videos and all that type of stuff. So I'll probably average around 4.5 hours of sleep every day, maybe 5. But I find the longer I sleep, the worse I am. Alright, now I'm back behind the shed. The kids, after saying what I just said about them, they didn't have sleep today properly. I was lucky to get 40 minutes out of my daughter. And my son, the oldest, he doesn't really sleep anymore. But they, for once, had an early night, which is nice. Like, you love them, but it's nice when they go to bed early to have some extra time to get some things done. But I just want to talk about my education and job. So I left school after year 10. I did IT like year 7, 8, 9, 10. And I hated school. It was a horrible time. I was mainly bullied most of it, which is okay. It's whatever, it's how it is. But I got to year 10, I'm like, nah, I'm not doing this anymore, so I left. And then throughout those years, I had a job in a cafe, just washing dishes at the time. And then I left school, and then I was offered a full-time apprenticeship at that cafe, which I took on, and then I left that apprenticeship, because at the time, like in Australia, your wages on apprenticeship are just disgusting. Like, back then, I was lucky to be on $12 an hour, and I was moving out of home and stuff. So I was probably making, like, on a good week, $500. Like, it's just not worth it. And because my old boss sold the shop, the new boss took over, and like she was really good about it with that part, and she understood and took me off the apprenticeship and put me on a high wage straight away. And then now from dishes, I run the kitchen there. I'm the main person there and run the show in the kitchen 5 days a week. I did 6 days for about 4 years, but now I'm back down to 5 days, 2 days off, and it works awesome. So that's my, I haven't got much of a history with work. I've stayed at one place since I left school, and I'm still there, and I'll probably be there for the next few years. But it's given me a lot. It's given me, obviously, more of my cars and my house, and it just works well with where we live. It's 2 minutes down the road, 2-minute drive home, and I can't complain about it too much. But that's pretty much it as far as work and education. And then, like, education, I just literally got my Cert 2 and 3 in IT, and then I went off, started a diploma in IT, and got 3 months into it, and then I left because I had a business idea, which has now led onto YouTube, which I'm just focusing on YouTube every day now since the channel's growing, and it's amazing.